Hindi naman pala. I'll be spending some time thinking I'd be alright. Don't know if I could really make it tonight. Lay awake in the dark, sit down and I start thinking about you. I don't know where I went wrong or what's going on. Maybe, where should I go? Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're still holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight. I want you to stay. You turning me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. Baba mo, baba mo, baba mo. You turn me around. Baba pa!
Pogi. Sarap mo. Nakalabang mo yung ano.
Every time I hurt you, you're touching me too. Don't know if I could really stay here tonight. Tired of thinking of you and everything that you do. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Well, I just wanted to say that I need you today. Tell me, so gonna work out alright. And I should learn with all of my heart. Baby, let me be your lover tonight. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight. I want you to stay. You're turning me.
Manalangin tayo! Kailangan natin ang panalangin sa Diyos! Upang tayo lumaban pagbuhay ng matagal! Ito tayo paraan! Aw! Manalig tayo mga kabayan! Manalig tayo!
You turning me on. You turn me around. You turn the whole world upside down.
Sorry.
Bakit tumingin? Lumayas kayo sa aking likuran!
Sorry po. Sorry po, nagkakamali. Kasi po hindi po namin solo yung lyrics.
Amen!
This is an example only.
Ambitious yun na, bilis!
Kay sarap sanang magkaroon ng sapatos na lumilipad spaceship. Sarap sanang magkaroon ng sapatos na lumilipad spaceship. Kote ni Tarzan, lasers, magic wallet na hindi nauubusan ng laman. Time machine, babalik ng oras. Ngayon din. Libre tindahan, walang utang, walang listahan.
At mangarap.
Wala kang babayaran.
Hanggang napaginig. Libre lang mangarap. Panaginip ka.
Okay na ba yun, mga kaparko, mga nanonood dyan sa YouTube, kung saan na ngayon lupalot ang mundo?
Walang dating. Walang dating. Kung kasi ni Jacob. Tite.
Sorry po kung masyadong pangit to, pero yung nauna naman sigurado magagandahan kayo doon. Yung magbalik at palengke, bakit ba sa palengke nagbalik, ha? 100% magagandahan kayo doon, ha? Basta, stay put lang kayo dyan. Inuubos namin ang oras. Stay put, jepot kayo dyan.
Ganito kami sa mga palengke magwa. Wow, kami tayo dyan.
100% Pinoy!
Hindi, basta. Wawawi tayo dyan.
Wow, Channel 7! Thank you to all TMC subscribers para sa ang ano na po ngayon, Wawawi Channel 7. Tapos yung ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko dahil nantopy ako. Ako ang bigatin! Itak-tak mo! Tak-itak-tak mo! Ikaw ang bigatin!
Ha, hi.
Hi!
Sa dilim, may Muslim dumating.
Guard, palamasin to, guard!
Itaktak mo, itaktak mo, itaktak mo, itaktak mo.
Dali, dali! Ulit!
Dalawa.
Dali! Ikaw ang bigatin, bata!
Ayun na po! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala pa? Ay, mali daw.